Hey guys, this is the Dark Hart, and in this video we're talking about how you can convert yourself into the Terminator. And we will also give it a cyberpunk theme, so let's get started. So here we are in the world of Photoshop. I will be using the pic of my friend for this. He's a DJ, YouTube link in the bio. So first, I need to remove the background. I'm gonna do that really quick. There you go. Now let's start with the face. For that, I'm going to use this pic you can easily find on the Google. Just search for the Terminator. Just drag and drop it on the pic, adjust its size, decrease the opacity so you can know what you are working with. Place it on your face. Keep in mind that Terminator pic and your face are of the same size. When you are done, just select the layer and create a mask by clicking on this icon. After that, press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Select a soft brush and just paint around the face. Be sure white color is selected. Paint around the areas you want. Be careful around the edges. You can also press X and toggle the color from white to black and remove the areas you accidentally painted. After that, just merge the color a little bit. For that, I'm just gonna make an adjustment layer and mess around in hue and saturation until it looks good. Hair was not looking very good, so I changed the hair. It's really up to you. Now let's put in a background. I found this on the Google. Just search for the cyberpunk background and you will find it easily. Now let's change the clothes. In the movies, the Terminator usually wear a leather jacket, and for that I found this pic. Just gonna cut it out and put it on our subject. Create a mask, remove the areas you don't want and merge the subject. So at this point the pic was already looking great, but I wanted it to look even cooler. So I thought, why not put a gun in his hand? So for that I removed the arm and replaced it with a new one, so it looks like his hand is going upward. Merged it with the jacket by using mask. I cut out the hand from another pic and merged it with the subject. I downloaded a couple of pics of the guns and we're gonna use this one. Same routine, create a mask, remove the unwanted areas and make it look like the subject is holding the gun. After that, I just created some shadows by adjustment layer. And also be sure to put a blur on the background for some depth. At the end, I created highlights. I noticed that the robot eye was not glowing. For that, I used the pick of a spark. You can use anything that's glowing and has a black background. Drag and drop it to the project and convert its opacity to screen. After you're done, merge the layers and put a camera raw filter in it or use Lightroom. It really depends on how you want it to look. And that's it for me today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.